In order to achieve the highest form of performance and efficient productivity from broiler beds within a period of 6 to 8 weeks, a clean environment is what you need as a poultry farmer, which is free from germs and harmful bacteria to strengthen biosecurity. And it starts with an effective washing of the poultry farm. Hi, and welcome to Elders Agro Services, where we educate, inform, and improve you on better ways to achieve efficient broiler performance and productivity. My name is Ebiyamba David, MD Elders Agro Services, and also an agro-based entrepreneur with keen interest in effective broiler farming. On this channel today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the pressure washer as one of the ways to wash and clean your farm and getting it ready for your next batch of broiler beds. All you just need to do is to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop your comments. And trust me, as you follow us to the end of this video, you will definitely know that it was worth watching. Like I said, it's all about identity through quality when it comes to Elders Agro Services. So sit back, relax, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you are informed of every of our videos that will come to you, and also drop your comments. Walk this part with us and see how we use this efficient tool. I always call it my combo. If you use it, after seeing me use it, when you use it, you will definitely not want to use your hands any longer. You will just need that pressure washer. I'll see you. Walk with us. Now this is my pressure washer, the Ingo pressure washer, HPWR 14008. As you can see, this is everything it does. I've already used it before anyway, but I'm going to be using it now for everyone to see. I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm going to be installing it, and then we're going to start using it. So as you can see, this is what you need in your poultry farm. It helps remove stubborn dirt, part of the chicken poo that may have stuck itself to the ground and feeling very hard when you use your normal brush to scrub it out, or your broom. But you can see that I've not even started applying the cleaning agent. But with this, I'm able to take off all stains away. And it works so well that I can adjust for all forms of cobwebs that you're seeing. Because most of the times we have viral diseases apart from the bacterial ones. So you can see that even the walls, I clean them off. All those cobwebs that would always disturb you, and so you can adjust to a wider view where you can use to trim the wall down and bring the debts. And everything comes to the ground. Now let's look at this other side you're seeing here, and then let's apply the pressure washer. Now you can join me. Wow, we're done. And in no distant time we were able to finish the task that was left for us to do. Trust me, and that was only made possible because I had this pressure washer with me. It does a whole work and it makes work minimal, especially with no much stress. If you want to see what we've done, it's not hard. I'm going to show you. Take the difference with what you saw when we were washing, and everything looks so clean and ready. All that is left is for me to fumigate and then disinfect, and my new beds would come in. Trust me, this is what every farmer should have in his or her farm, be it for a deep litter system or a suspended cage system. Trust me, just like you saw when I was using it in a suspended cage system, it was just wonderful. And I tell you, whichever way you want to use it, it will still give you the best result. I want to thank you for joining us at the end of today. I know you enjoyed yourself. Whatever your comments are, please drop them below, but please don't forget, please subscribe, hit the like button, share this video to someone who needs it. And don't worry, when the next video comes, because you subscribed, you'll definitely be notified. My name is Peter David, MD Elders Agro Services, a channel that helps to educate, inform, and improve you on ways to enhance broiler productivity and performance. See you in the next video. Bye.